What's something people don't know about Toyota's success? Welcome back to Vision Vault. On this channel, we break down complex topics, analyze successful strategies, and uncover the secrets behind some of the world's most influential companies. And today, we're diving deep into a company that's practically synonymous with reliability and efficiency, Toyota. Get ready to explore Toyota's business strategies, from their revolutionary manufacturing processes to their global dominance in the automotive industry. We'll unpack the key elements that have driven Toyota's success for decades. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. I'm sure you've heard the news. Toyota's journey to automotive excellence started with a simple yet powerful concept: eliminate waste. In the 1930s, Toyota's founder, Kiichiro Toyota, was determined to improve the efficiency of their textile looms. This led to the development of the Toyota production system, which evolved into lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing maximizes value for the customer, while minimizing waste in every step of the production process. Toyota identified 7 key areas of waste: overproduction, waiting, transportation, overprocessing, inventory, motion, and defects. By tackling these areas, they streamlined operations and achieved unprecedented efficiency. One key principle is just-in-time production, where parts and materials are delivered only when needed. Another crucial aspect is JITaka, or automation with a human touch, empowering workers to solve problems immediately. This focus on quality control has built Toyota's reputation for reliability. By embracing these principles, Toyota transformed from a small textile company into a global automotive giant. Everybody is looking for the secret to operational excellence. As Toyota's efficiency revolution gained momentum, it wasn't long before their innovative methodologies began to attract global attention. Lean thinking, as it came to be known, was not just a set of tools and techniques, but a comprehensive philosophy that transformed industries far beyond the automotive sector. In the 1980s, researchers and practitioners from around the world began to study Toyota's success more closely. They discovered that the principles of lean could be applied universally, from healthcare to software development. One of the pivotal moments in spreading lean thinking was the publication of the book, The Machine That Changed the World, in 1990. This groundbreaking work highlighted the efficiency and effectiveness of the Toyota production system, inspiring countless organizations to rethink their approaches to production and management. Today, lean thinking continues to evolve, with Toyota at the forefront of innovation. The company's commitment to sharing its knowledge and practices with the world has cemented its legacy as a pioneer in operational excellence. By continually refining and expanding lean principles, Toyota not only maintains its competitive edge, but also empowers other organizations to achieve their own success. As we delve deeper into the heart of Toyota's success, let's explore the engine of continuous improvement that drives this remarkable journey. I bet you didn't know the driving force behind Toyota's relentless pursuit of improvement: the Kaizen philosophy. Kaizen, meaning change for the better in Japanese, is a deeply ingrained mindset at Toyota. It's about fostering a culture where everyone is encouraged to constantly improve processes, eliminate waste, and enhance quality. The beauty of Kaizen lies in its emphasis on small, incremental improvements. Toyota encourages its employees to submit Kaizen suggestions, no matter how small. Even minor adjustments can significantly impact overall productivity over time. Tools like the 5 Whys analysis help identify the root cause of problems, Genchi Genbutsu, or go and see for yourself. Encourages first-hand experience to understand issues. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, Toyota maintains its competitive edge and consistently delivers high-quality products. Kaizen isn't just about making cars. It's a philosophy that can be applied to any aspect of life. I don't think people understand the full impact of Toyota's commitment to sustainable mobility. While Toyota's manufacturing prowess is legendary, they've also been pioneers in sustainable mobility with their hybrid technology. In the late 1990s, Toyota introduced the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid electric vehicle. The Prius wasn't just a technological marvel, it was a statement. Toyota recognized the growing concerns about climate change and the need for more fuel-efficient vehicles. They invested heavily in a technology that many saw as unproven and risky. The Prius quickly became a symbol of eco-consciousness. Toyota continued to refine their hybrid technology, introducing it across a wider range of vehicles. Their commitment to hybrid technology has positioned them as a leader in the sustainable automotive industry. As governments implement stricter emissions regulations, Toyota's early investment in hybrid technology gives them a significant advantage. Beyond hybrids, Toyota is exploring other alternative fuel technologies like hydrogen fuel cells. Their Mirai, a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, represents another step towards zero-emission mobility. Toyota's commitment to environmental sustainability is good for the planet and business. This is why you need to understand Toyota's global strategy. Toyota's success isn't limited to Japan. They've established themselves as a global automotive powerhouse. One key factor is their deep understanding of local markets. Toyota recognizes that what works in one country might not translate to another. They've adopted a strategy of glocalization, adapting products and marketing to suit different regions. In emerging markets like India and China, Toyota offers vehicles designed for challenging road conditions and affordability. Another crucial aspect is building strong relationships with local partners. They've established joint ventures and manufacturing facilities worldwide. Toyota also invests in marketing campaigns that resonate with local cultures and values. Their commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction has earned them a global reputation. Whether in North America, Europe, Asia, or Africa, the Toyota brand is synonymous with dependability. Toyota's global expansion is marked by strategic partnerships, understanding local markets, and commitment to core values. I bet you didn't know. The secret behind Toyota's incredible success. At the heart of Toyota's success lies a deep-rooted commitment to the customer. They understand that building great cars is only part of the equation. Creating exceptional customer experiences now is equally important. Toyota's customer-centric approach is evident in every aspect of their business. They strive to make every touchpoint a positive one, building trust and loyalty. One key way Toyota achieves this is through their relentless focus on quality. They've implemented rigorous quality control measures throughout their manufacturing process, but it goes beyond just building reliable cars. Toyota understands the importance of providing excellent after-sales service. Their dealerships are known for friendly and knowledgeable staff. Dedicated to resolving customer issues, Toyota actively seeks customer feedback to continuously improve their products and services. This customer-centric approach has earned Toyota a loyal following by putting the customer at the center of everything they do. Toyota has created a brand that people trust and feel connected to. What's something people don't know about Toyota's business strategies? And there you have it. A glimpse into the remarkable world of Toyota's business strategies. From their revolutionary lean manufacturing principles to their unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction, Toyota has consistently set the bar high in the automotive industry. Their story is a testament to the power of innovation, efficiency, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. By embracing these principles, Toyota has achieved remarkable success and shaped the way we think about manufacturing, sustainability, and customer experience. Let me know in the comments below which of Toyota's strategies you found most insightful. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Vision Vault for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating companies.